Hello there, and here right behind me you can see my Kawasaki 900 LT Vulcan, a motorcycle, brand new. Actually, the silver and sparkling blue color is actual only for 2019 models. So I'm about to perform the installation for the battery gauge on this very motorcycle. Okay, here I managed to install those wiring to using the headlight bucket housing. For the red and blue is the live cord, and for yellow black is for the negative or ground wire. Also I used Posi-Tap connectors and the liquid insulator as well. Now let's get it start the ignition. Let's start the and you see the result speaks for itself. Thank you for watching. Hope that helps a lot.